This is a dental guard designed to protect teeth from nighttime teeth grinding. And I don't exactly have that problem, but I do clench my teeth too hard for too long. So I thought I might try it. I'm going to check with my dentist, of course, and see if it's feasible. But I want to show you what came in this sample product. You get 2 of these. There's 1 guard in each package, and I've already opened 1 package. So this is what it looks like. It's rigid, but you heat water and you put it in the hot water until it's pliable, and then you put it in your mouth and bite down and mold it that way. Thanks to Koheel for sending me this dental guard to try out and make a video so that I could show you all how it works. This is for people who grind their teeth at night. Actually, I used to grind my teeth at night for years, but I no longer do. But now I clench my teeth so tightly that I have actually broken a crown. So when I saw this, I thought, oh, maybe this could help me. It's a dental guard that you put into hot water, get it pliable, and then mold it to the roof of your mouth. It goes on your upper teeth instead of the lower. The first step is to put some water in a pan and heat it. And it needs to be between 160 and 190. So I'm going to put the thermometer in, and it's 195, 196, 194, 3. Anyway, by the time I get to it, it will be okay. Next, you take the dental guard and you place it in the hot water. And you leave it a few seconds until it gets pliable. And I think it's there. It looks pliable, yes. Okay. So it is pliable. See how it bends? I'm taking it out of the hot water. I got the guard in my mouth after the 3rd try. So don't give up. It gets easier. This is what it looks like. Here. And it's pretty comfortable, so I think it may work out fine. I will certainly try it, and during the process of putting it in, if you use your tongue to press up against the roof of your mouth while the guard is still pliable, and you work on the sides of it by putting your hands on your cheeks here and pressing. And that gets it molded into the shape. And this is what mine looks like after it's set. So it was quite an experiment, and hopefully it will help me with my problem of clenching my teeth. If you grind your teeth at night or clench your teeth like I do, one of these could help you. There it is.